Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when working with APIs. The issue arises when receiving different responses from an API call made in Postman versus one made in JMeter. The crux of the problem lies in the discrepancy of the response content type. Application JSON in Postman versus text HTML in JMeter. This inconsistency can be quite frustrating, especially when you're expecting a specific format in the response. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key here is to ensure that you're sending the exact same request in both Postman and JMeter. This means meticulously checking the URL, request payload, and headers, especially the content type. One handy tip is to record your successful request in Postman using JMeter's HTTPS test script recorder. By configuring Postman to use JMeter as the proxy, you can effortlessly capture the request and generate the appropriate HTTP request sampler and HTTP header manager in JMeter. In summary, encountering varying responses from API calls in different testing tools can be a common headache. By carefully aligning your requests and leveraging the recording capabilities of JMeter, you can troubleshoot and ensure consistency in your API testing results. And with that, it's time to wrap up. Make sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy testing.